The 12 finalists for Miss Cebu 2025 have been introduced, each showcasing Cebu's unique beauty and spirit. At a press conference on November 5, 2024 at Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino, these impressive young women were presented to the media, ready to compete for the Miss Cebu crown and become the city's ambassador. With the final event set for January 15, 2025, anticipation builds as one of these finalists will be crowned at the same iconic venue.
Hello everyone, maayong gabi. My name is 𝗙𝗶𝗵𝗹𝗶, 25, a licensed medical laboratory scientist, a certified drug test analyst, and currently studying medicine to become a doctor soon.
Good evening, everyone. My name is 𝗙𝗵ℎ𝗶𝗵𝗀𝗀, 20, a marketing student and an executive representative.
Maayong gabi, Cebu. My name is 𝗙𝗲𝗃𝗃, and I am 22 years old and currently taking Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering.
Good evening, I'm Kiara Leanne Wellington, 22, majoring in fashion design.
Maayong gabi kanatong tanan. This is Irene Kyle Salutan, 21, a passionate student leader and a business management minor in finance student. Daghang salamat.
Hi, I'm Christina 𝗙𝗏 21, taking up business marketing.
Good evening, everyone. Maayong gabi sa tanan. This is Lori Chilane Galeriana, a broadcast journalism graduate and currently a team leader in a BPO company. Thank you.
Hello, good evening, everybody. My name is Angela Ammonier. I am 23 years old. Last year, I graduated from a master's in epidemiology, and I am an aspiring researcher in women's health. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. My name is 𝗙𝗻ℐ𝗫𝗃𝗀. I'm 20 years old, and I'm currently taking a Bachelor's of Science in Nursing. Thank you.
Maayong gabi, Cebu. I am Shanara Eve Dumdum Alub, 22, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Maayong gabi, Cebu City. I am Tatiana Chansal 𝗙𝗲𝗃𝗀𝗀, 18, a freshman student currently studying for nursing.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Julian J. Ramos, 20 years old, and an aspiring occupational therapist. Thank you.
This year's theme, Embodying the Heart of the City, was introduced by Miss Cebu Project Chair Philip Rodriguez and Cebu City Tourism Commission Chair Attorney Jocelyn Joy Pesquera, highlighting the pageant's mission to celebrate Cebu's culture, promote tourism, and empower Cebuanas as leaders and changemakers.
This time, Miss Cebu 2025 pageant will take on the theme Miss Cebu, the heartbeat of the city, emphasizing that behind all the innovations and transformations the city has harnessed is a woman, a Cebuana, who speaks about her embracing love for the city, the people, and the many facets that defines what Cebu is today. As we look forward to the coronation night and before a new queen is crowned, we have prepared a fresh, new taste from but transformative approach to hone a new breed of Cebuana beauties that speak of love and beats for Cebu.
It's also part of the vision of the Cebu City Tourism Commission that we want to revive the vibrancy of the city, because through it we will be able to make the people economically benefit of the programs, the tourism programs that we had. Because when we say just Cebu, always comes to mind that it is like a cultural a heritage center, historical. But then what we also want to make people know that here it's not only we are more on like culture, but also we have everything that they want. It's here in the city. If they want to see the beautiful mountains, if they want to explore the coastline of the city of Cebu, it's always something that make them proud to be a Cebuano and proud to be in the heart of the city.
𝗙𝗏 emphasized that Miss Cebu's impact extends beyond beauty, aiming to engage the local community and boost the region's tourism and economy.
We're so proud of our finalists that they are not only beautiful but also very intelligent. And I'm pretty sure that it will have a very good impact to the community because they will embody the what we call the character of being Cebuanas. They will represent the city as our ambassadors and of course promote our tourism because basically they are there to really help us in promoting our city. And when we say about just simply as promotion, it really, what is very important to us is that they embodies the character of being Cebuanos.
Rodriguez, on the other hand, shared his insights on the selection process, what Miss Cebu truly embodies, and what exciting expectations lie ahead for the highly anticipated Miss Cebu 2025 pageant.
We had about 3 screenings and we had a hard time because we don't know which ones because they're all good. I mean, you know, very articulate and really outstanding this year. And we're so proud about it that we have established a certain degree of already of establishing how do you call it, a standard, the kind of women that we would like to join, to represent Cebu. More or less people would know already the kind of standard that we want. But from the 30 plus ladies, we had to trim it down to 12. So they are the cream of the crop, and so they already are practically the finalists na sila. Not just contestants, but we call them finalists, the 12 finalists for Miss Cebu. You know, I'm challenged with all the ladies that we have now. I mean, when I saw them today, like, oh my, I'm challenged to do a much bigger production. And although we have something in mind, but then I think we have to do more. It's gonna be greater. Every year we always try to outdo ourselves. And this time, double outdo.
This has been 𝗙𝗏 Espinosa for MyTV Cebu.